Cooper mixer CS-208. Complaints about first channel fader and sixth channel something with the line level. Let's plug it in. It's our 12-volt power supply. I'm gonna put on external and power on. Look what happens. Wow. All the meters picking. It's interesting. Let's try again. Nope. Doesn't look good at all. That's how C16 looks on the board. That's one of the negative 12-volt supplies lines, and looks like the capacitor got blown. This connector supplies plus minus 12 volt main power to the board, to the motherboard. So with a closer look, I found out that one of the minus 12 volts just snapped. The contact got broken, you see. I found this connector with the cut wires, so I'm gonna try to reuse one of these contacts, maybe together with the wire. So let me try to extract it from here. I don't have a special tool, so I'm relying on just my trusty X-Acto knife. Here we go. Here we go. This is the contact. It should fit Cooper connector. Let's see. Tantalum electrolytic capacitor. Looks perfectly fine. 10 microfarad, 25 volts. Death trap. Let's check just with a regular continuity meter. Here we go. Short. So this guy was in the filter section of dual power supply, dual rail, plus minus 12 volts. So it was in the negative 12 volts, and every time I was powering the mixer, it gave a strange behavior and strange sounds on this channel 6. So it's on the channel 6. So finally I traced it to this capacitor. Very unpredictable behavior, and you cannot tell by just looking at it. Never. It looks perfectly fine. Shiny, nice color, and everything is good. Bull crap. Cooper mixer after power supply repair. Everything works fine now, and I'm gonna check channel 6 with a condenser mic. It's NT5 Rode. NT5 Rode mic. Phantom powered 48 volts. And I also recording to little Sony PCM recorder from the A output. And let's see the tone oscillator. 1K tone. You see the levels are fine and nice. So if I flip this switch, it's gonna be 10K. That was 10K tone. Alright, so let's check channel 6.
Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Hey, check 1 2. Check 1 2. Let me try EQ. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Alright, so that's EQ on. Check 1 2. Everything works fine. Check 1. Check 1. 1 2 3. Check 1. Check 1 2. Nice.
So let me unplug the mic and just see the noise level by itself. This is maximum gain and maximum volume. Now EQ. This is all EQ cranked up. Now EQ. Tone. Let's check the slate microphone.
Check 1 2. Check 1 2. This is the slate mic. Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
Nice. Looks like everything is working fine. And it's all cleaned up and ready for the field test, which will be the moment of truth.
You just turn your country off. You just turn it off. Now, if you people from the area, Poland, Russia, America, credit cards, just find your commercial, your smalls, Russian lines out, credit cards work. You know what they say? Without exception. It's not necessary. These are maybe as student factors, but nevertheless, they say. China. They're going to correct theirs. China, Russia, the LCFC, the LCFC, this is not one of them. You can't because you're Jewish. Now, yes, I feel sorry for Zelensky. I don't know how he was getting this was so we can find blah blah blah. But part of that he was being there, the Canada River, like no sort of. So he gets running on just he is not here. This is who has to be here now. He's getting those matters. Before he was last week after he irrespective of that, he is still a young man. I know he was half an hour. I know he did all of a sudden he was wearing a suit to wear a wig. I know. But if I mention 5 minutes, we're not outside, we're not inside, we're really have consultants in, we have the best sort of management based on the that's what we do. I'm going to have a careful narrative. I'm going to promote, I'm going to have the other to use. I'm going to use the word propaganda. I want to get rid of the word propaganda. Propaganda is close to me. I want to give a message. I want to give you right. I want to give some propaganda. It's a way of saying. The idea is that Kiev and this man represents something that you can understand that young people like the people of freedom. It's hard work. It's big. Any kind of refugee status. But that is only one theater. There's only one battle. There's only one area. There's only one means of rescue. There's only one word to win. That's true. It's only that's enough. Because the rest of the world, no. And what does this do for us? I don't like this. For us, it's coherent. Go like this. What are we saying? What happens? You're like the rest of the world. Don't count on us. Let them. You know, the West. I see the West. Let them. Be careful. Now you know how to forget you. So you are. That's what you are. That's what you are. To explain what is that? Because you West headquarters sign the deal. Take boom and word. Okay. That's what I want. Stop. You two. Both sides. Number 2. Now we know. Are you kidding me? Seriously. You are. Oh, you're saying. I want to find out. So we're going to get somebody that we know is going to curse about. Somewhere online. If we actually work really nice on us. And great. And that's what. Whatever. The you in this world. Or not this is not all. You're right. Write this down. Now I've got it. It's going to somehow, through some management, figure out to indict Donald Trump for some kind of way. It might be minuscule, it might be preferred, it might be titular, it might be something that doesn't matter. But I promise you, you won't do this any way whatsoever. Have you been? What is happening to the rest of the world? To the rest of the world? 2 things to be aware of. Number 1, you see the post, you see every news program that's very negative. They're constantly trying to normalize commercial sex trafficking, if you will. They're trying to commerce of these stories. 25 women during COVID, even considered for years OnlyFans to pay those. If you're a police officer, left your job to make millions of dollars on OnlyFans, this may not be easy. It can be important to you. But where this is going is that no commercialization of sexual